next thing is predictive analytics. We have already discussed, and another very impressive thing, planning with the addition of forecasting. We also can do forecasting by using the predictive analytics or by using the our customized scenarios. The next thing is smart insight. The addition of artificial intelligence into analytics board issue business intelligence has been added into SAP Analytics Cloud, which improve the very smart decision for the C-level users. And last but not least, data connectivity. It has the live connection as well as the import connection. So what are the live connection? The live connection is the the live connection is a connection which provides the live data for our dashboard, whereas the import connection is not is presenting our data with the interval, with the specified interval of time, and the C-level user or the business user scheduled the data at its convenience. So then the business can have the data at a particular time with respect to its schedule. So, SAP Analytics Cloud in the BI ecosystem, it integrates the data sources like Oracle, Salesforce, or any other database. We can integrate each and every type of database with this impressive Analytics Cloud. So it enables the collaboration across department. So we will discuss and we will explore later that how the user of a dashboard can collaborate with its peers of department or across department, no matter what the level of user is. It can enable, it can discuss anything with the management or its peers by using the option of collaboration of SAP Analytics Cloud. The next thing is support strategic decision through unified reporting. So, as the result of integration between many different databases with the SAP, so as a result of it, the unified reporting dream is come to true, and the C-level user can analyze its data into one window. So then the all and the life of the users, which combines data and manipulate and compile each and every source of data into one, and will be the headache of SAP Analytics Cloud. So complement existing BI tool. It is also called the complement existing BI tool. As far as the other features, it also has a lot of complement tool, which we'll explore in coming lecture.